We have two decision makers in our brain. The first one is the prefrontal cortex that we have been talking about. It takes rational and logical decisions. And the second one is our limbic system, which takes emotional, irrational, and impulsive decisions. It's like what we want to do versus what we should do. It is a good idea to let the prefrontal cortex take most of the decisions for us. However, most of the time the limbic system influences our action because it is driven by the wants, desires, and the impulses that we have. So we tend to do what we want rather than what we should do. For example, if you are planning to cut off sugar and you see a bar of chocolate in your table, the prefrontal cortex will be telling you, do not touch that chocolate. But the limbic system will remind you of all the good times that you had the last time you ate that chocolate. If you decide to eat that chocolate, you let the limbic system take the decision for you. And if you just let it be and let the limbic system take decisions for you regularly, the limbic system will be dominant in taking most of the decisions. Delayed gratification can help you to solve this problem. Let me tell you how. Whenever your limbic system is asking you to do something like eat that chocolate immediately, you just tell that no, I'm not going to eat that chocolate right now. I'm going to push this activity further, maybe just for 5 minutes. When you do this, you are not letting your impulsive mind, the limbic system, control your actions. You are planning something, and maybe you'll later eat that chocolate, but make it a planned action rather than an impulsive decision. So, next time when you feel like grabbing your phone and looking at the reels, just say, hold on, maybe later. Delaying the gratification makes us less impulsive with our decisions and slowly and gradually strengthen the decision making ability of our prefrontal cortex.